how to fix a leaking shower handle. This handle is leaking and I think it's the cartridge behind the handle, so we're gonna replace that. First, turn the water off to the apartment. Inside the shower handle is a set screw, and I've tried to take it out with the Allen head, but it's just like this. There's a little hexagonal set screw in there, but it won't. I've tried to turn it out and it won't come out. Which that's like the worst problem with these is like whenever it gets like cemented in there by the sediment, and then you can't get it out, then you can't get the handle off. So like somebody needs to change this design somehow. But basically what we have to do when this happens is we have to grind off the handle. Safety glasses on, got our grinder, gonna grind off this handle. So the handle is attached by a little cross section in there. To get to that, you gotta, grind it from the outside also. And then you gotta grind it from the outside first to get to that cross section. Now we got our plumber's pliers, and we're gonna take off this outer piece here. It just spins off. You gotta be careful when you do this because like behind this is PVC that connects to the valve back here that like separates the cold and the hot water come to this valve, and then when you turn the knob, then that regulates the temperature of what you want the water to be at. But like it's easy to break the PVC behind this tile, and like if you break that, then the tile is so much messier and takes so much longer just to cut out, just to get to. It's much messier and it takes longer. So gotta be really careful when we're taking off this piece here with our plumber's pliers. WD-40 here, gonna try to loosen this up a little bit. So just as a close-up, like there's this piece, and then there's this back piece here. Like if they're both spinning, this front piece and this back piece, then stop, because that means the whole valve behind this tile is spinning, and you're gonna break a pipe, and it's gonna be a much messier job. But if this is just spinning alone like this, that's good. This means this is coming off. So this is what you want. But yeah, to get that loose, like WD-40 and just like tapping on it all around to loosen it up and break any sediment that might be holding it in place. So this is the old cartridge, and this is the new cartridge that we're gonna put in right there. This isn't the piece that goes bad, it's these little pieces. It's this rubber piece and these springs. Like is in there right now are the three holes. The top two are where the spring and the booties go. The rubber gets old after a while. You just gotta change them out, and then that stops the leak. Pliers. The springs go in the little rubber booties like so, and they just go in the holes. Like that. put the cartridge in. All the cartridges have this little lip here, this little plastic lip, and it goes in. They cut out a little square piece in the metal for it, so you know how it goes in. So it goes in like so. By the way, so whenever you turn a shower handle, like this is like from the back of the shower handle. So when you turn the shower handle, like it turns like this, and the holes remove with it, and like you saw those two holes there on the inside. And so this is what it's like when it's off, because the holes are covered up, so the water's off. When you turn it to cold first. The two holes, like the cold water and on this cartridge line up, and a little cold water comes out. And then you turn it some more, and then the hot water starts coming out too. And when you turn it enough, then it's like only hot water. Put it in just like this. Now we can take our threaded metal piece, see the threads on either side, and they just thread around the threads there like so. Got a new shower head handle here. In there is the set screw that holds it on the cartridge. And the way you're supposed to be able to get it out is you take an Allen head and it goes into the set screw, and you just loosen it and tighten it. Like we're tightening it, and now we're loosening it. But they just get old over time, and then they don't come out anymore, and then you're trying to get them out, and they end up rounding out, and then you have to do what we just did, grind off the handle, which we don't have another solution to this. So if anybody knows of one, post in the comments, please. Water on. Moment of truth. No leaks. Now we just gotta clean this up. All good. Like and subscribe.